Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can Dropbox in your UDISE Plus or a different Plus subscription in your Dropbox. Dropbox is an app or a website where you can store your data and different files, even your checks and visas in your cloud storage. And Dropbox also offers many subscriptions through its yearly plan or even monthly plan. First of all, just go into Dropbox and then log into your account. After logging into your account, if you initially log in, you will be on the simple or the basic plan. Now, if you want to upgrade the plan, if you go on to the home screen, you will see here a click to upgrade option. Right now, I don't have it because I have already opened the tab. Here you can see that there are two options: build monthly or yearly. These are all the essential plans that you can upgrade in your Dropbox, like for personal use, for professionals, for teams, for companies as well. You can see that there is an upgrade and try for free option. You can try all of these options for free after inputting your credentials and making sure that you are going to buy them after you have tried free version. So simply click on upgrade and now simply put on your credentials of your debit or your credit card, and now just fill in the data that needs to be checked out to buy the actual space. Here, after doing so, to Dropbox, it's actually really simple. It doesn't matter what kind of Plus membership or subscription you have. All you have to do is go on the home page, look for the upload or drop option, simply click on it, and now these three options will appear again. Choose the type of option that you want, either a single file, a folder, or you want to import from your Google Drive. After selecting the option, a different folder will open up on your screen from where you'll be able to select the file that you want to upload or drop into your Dropbox. Simply click on it and open it up, and you can see that you'll be able to drop it and upload on your Dropbox. This was for this video, and that's how you can drop your files in Dropbox with any kind of subscription you have. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.